In this lesson, we are going to see how to score a new dataset with the trained model. So in our case, this dataset will be the test dataset. Now we are going to score on a new dataset which we created as a 30% test dataset. This is a new dataset which was not part of the training, and we want to see that how our selected model is going to score a data which was not included in model training. So let's do that. I will create a comment section here. Scoring with test dataset. Okay. For a new data with the model which we have built, what we are going to do, we are going to load that model. To load our created model, I am going to import one library from pyspark.ml.classification import random forest classification model. Okay. So this is imported. Now we are going to use this to load the already built model. So we saved our models in the bucket. So if I go back, so in this we saved all our three models. So for RF model, I am going to select the path. Then I am going to come back here and I am going to provide RF model equals to random forest classification model, this library dot load, and then I am going to provide the path where my model exists. Okay. So the model we trained is now loaded. We can validate it with this. Now I'm going to load the test dataset. To load the test dataset, I'm going to write spark.read.parquet and I'm going to select the path where I saved the test dataset. So I saved it inside model predictions folder. I will go back here and I will load it. We have read our test dataset. Now we are going to score this dataset using our random forest model. We are going to use model.transform. So RF model.transform and we'll provide the dataset which we want to score. Okay, so the data set is now scored. If I check few rows, so now model has given raw prediction, probability and prediction for my test score data set. So this is how we score a new data set using an existing built model. So in this case, we have used the 30% test data set which we saved in module 2. If you have another validation data set or a separate new data set which is new for model, that is which was not part of model training, then that can also be scored using the same process. You just need to read that dataset here. Now dataset is scored, but if we want, we can also calculate all these metrics for our test dataset which we have just scored to see how our model is performing on a new data. So what I am going to do, I am going to calculate those. So I will copy paste this here and change this, and this will be test score metrics, and I'm going to change the evaluation dataset name. So this will be my score dataset. Sorry. Okay, now I'm going to run this. So metrics are now getting calculated. Wait for it to finish. So this is completed. Now if I check, these are my test data metrics. So with this we have completed our course in which we first set up Spark in local and Google Cloud. Then we went through a series of steps to train our model, and then we tried to evaluate the trained model, and then we scored on test dataset and evaluated it again.